JP Logistics Solutions, a subsidiary of the Pan Jamaica Group, has launched an emergency logistics initiative to accelerate the shipment of relief supplies to Jamaica following the devastation caused by Hurricane Melissa. The multinational freight forwarder, which operates across the UK, United States, and the wider Caribbean, has pledged $5 million in container space to transport high-priority aid as part of the country's official recovery effort. The move comes amid mounting demand for fast and coordinated delivery of relief materials to affected parishes. Managing Director Gary Phillips said the company's operational strength is being redirected toward humanitarian recovery. JP Logistics Solutions is collaborating closely with Jamaica's consulates in the UK and Miami to expedite shipments and ensure seamless coordination with the Office of Disaster Preparedness and Emergency Management, ODPEM. The initiative will support the consolidation of relief goods from the Jamaican diaspora and international partners.